Under Rule 300, on the speech made by Sri Ardent Miller, member from Khynriam, on the short duration discussion relating to the report on the reservation policy. On the 25th February, while participating in the discussion, the Honourable Member Sri Ardent Miller has referred on the term Khasi are not inclusive of jaitbynriew. So, as we all know, as per reservation policy, it is specifically reserved for Khasi and jaitbynriew. So, therefore, it should always be referred as Khasi and jaitbynriew whenever we discuss the reservation policy. So, I therefore request your Honourable Speaker to put on the record on the proceedings of the House that it should always be referred as Khasi and jaitbynriew whenever we refer to the reservation policy. This is my submission.
Sir. I think I would expect the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to be measured enough. He should understand the minds of the mover. When I say the Khasis, I know who are the Khasis. You know, I had already mentioned in this August House, there's nothing to deprive or nothing, no ill intention against any community. But I always use Khasis because I want to unify the sub-tribes of the Khasis so that no one will misunderstand. So I think that is not a major issue, sir, to be expected for a minister in his status to raise in this August House. But I will continue to go to the people and tell that we are one as the community, we are one as a tribe, and the attempt to mention to the outside world that there are 3 tribes in Meghalaya is completely wrong. We belong to the same tribe, the Pnar, the Khynriam, the War, so on and so forth. So I don't think, sir, that is too serious a matter for you to discuss, sir.